Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do for this Monday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe, ready for a new month. We have another Amazon Prime. Here we go. Oh boy. Let's take a look inside, see what we get. And check out their other goodies they have to offer besides this item. If you want this item, all you gotta do, click the link. Add it to your cart. Check it out really fast. Continue shopping. By the time you know it, you'll get this in no time. Phone case. Focus, quality, innovation. Dustproof, shockproof. Shock resistant. Military style. Oh, baby. Guess we need stuff like this. Not sure where this is coming from, though. No namer. Link will be down below. And the description, it'll show who they are. So I think it shows. I don't know. Let's see what phone this is for, though. Oh boy. Hopefully I got the right one. That's pretty solid. Knock somebody out with this one. Oh, we got wipes. What do we got wipes for? Oh boy. Oh, that must be the case. Kind of weird they put it like there. Oh. Ooh. It's something new. See-through. Plexiglass. Now we got the S20 Ultra 5G right here. Out of them. Should fit it. Do a little dance. Oh yeah. Oh no, we don't want Samsung Pay.
Hi, I'm Bixby.
Oh no, go away. Oh, stop it.
Hi, I'm Bixby.
Will you stop it, Bixby? Nobody asked you. Did I put this on backwards? Nope. There we go. Dang. And then there's that for some reason. There's that. There we go. Ah. There's where you can put your earphones. Unless you just have it Bluetooth. Most people do. This is the backing of it. That looks pretty sweet. I like. Matches pretty well. Black on grayish. And then there. Rugged, rough, ready to roll. G. So, YouTubers, check these guys out for your newest Galaxy Ultra 5G S20. This will be a good one to get. Why is that coming out? Oh boy. Alrighty, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good day, and see you guys soon.